welcome back to the silver hair videos. These videos will give you good inspiration on how to slay and look beautiful and smart at the same time while you braid. So keep watching and go nowhere, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video because
there is a variety of hairstyles for gray hair women over 60, 50 and upwards. With gray hair, there are low maintenance and low budget styles and youthful looking as well. It can be a long or a short length cut and must suit one's face and shape. The right hairstyle offers confidence while making sure the hair is manageable depending on its actual color. It may also provide a whole new hair texture as well. So, a 60-year-old woman with gray hair needs to know all this before opting for a fresh cut, like for anyone that is going for a low cut. So secondly, if you want to look best with your face shape, it must be balanced. Like, it must balance your face shape and your profile as well. If you're a celebrity, you should go for the one that suits your profile. If whatever you just do, just make sure it balances your profile as well. And the third factor is to learn how to jazz up your locks. Ask questions about how to style it. Ask your stylist a lot of questions when you visit the salon. Know how to create the look in between appointments and with other tools and products. You should also know how to use some hair products yourself. Not all the time you visit a salon, because sometimes you just feel like not going out. And you can also help yourself by reducing the cost as well. Some women really know how to take care of their hair by themselves, and some women barely visit the salon because they get the tools needed for their hairstyles and their hair treatment. Not all styles you always go to the salon or visiting your stylist to make for you. Sometimes you just get it done and get over it by yourself. So before your next hair appointment, I want you to check these inspirational photos and videos of hairstyles for women over 40, 50 and above. These are elegant gray hair that will make you look really, really super amazing and just the way you should look. And these hair are so youthful. They make you look youthful, they make you look smart, they make you look really, really attractive. Whichever hairstyle you want to go for, if it's the bob, the short bob, the long hair, if you want to keep your lengthy hair, if you want to go for the pixie, whatever style you want to go for. If you have a coily hair, you can all see them here in this video. And I'm sure this video is going to inspire you a lot, because you see ladies of your type here in this video and also of your age, and you see how happy they are enjoying their gray hair. The beauty of a long or short hair is the face, the forehead. The beauty of long and short hair is the face and the forehead. So if you have the kind of face for the long hair, that is fine. If you have the kind of face for the short hair, and that is fine. And also, if you want to go for any hairstyle, like the hair length, like you want to go for a big chop and you have a lengthy hair but you want to go for a short length, you should talk to your stylist. Don't just conclude on yourself, because sometimes you may look yourself this way, but some people look you differently. People look you differently. People see you in a different way, but we see ourselves differently. So always consult your stylist, so that your stylist will tell you the kind of cut that you should go for. And also, if you have a short hair and you want to go for a lengthy hair, the lengthy hair fits all faces. It's for everyone. The lengthy is for everyone, the short is for everyone. You don't need to meet your stylist that you want to grow out your hair. Just start it and get done with it. That is for the lengthy, but for the short, if you want to go on short, you need to consult your stylist, so that your stylist will give you options of what to go for and how to give you the cut. So that is it about today's video. And if you know you love this video, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe, most importantly, and drop your comments on the opinion section, because your comments also inspires people a lot. I know so many people that go through my comments just to get good comments from the comment section, and I know a lot of people have been inspired by the comments they receive and the comments they get on my videos. So keep dropping good comments, and God bless you. See, I come your way next time. Keep enjoying yourself.
My channel is not only about showcasing ladies on gray hair, men on gray hair. It also encourages those that are feeling scared of starting their gray, of embracing their gray. Yeah, a lot of women has always said something about that in my channel. So if you feel down, you feel not really happy about your gray hair, don't feel that way, don't feel sad. You should be happy because you'll be seeing women and men like you in this channel. You see them on the videos, and you also see them on the comment section when they drop their experience and they drop how lovely and how nice they are enjoying their gray hair. That is what it should be. That is what the gray hair should be. It should be all about grateful and gratefulness. So guys, if you know this is your first time of coming, thanks for always tuning in to watch my video. And also, in the course of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you haven't subscribed at all, don't forget to subscribe. So till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, all about black hair. So keep loving yourself, keep staying blessed, and keep looking beautiful and looking handsome. I hope you enjoyed this video, because beautiful styles are all in this video. And not only this video, in my channel generally, I have nice and beautiful styles for all kind of gray hair, silver hair, white hair, salt and pepper hair transitioning. If you're feeling really down about your transition, I have videos that will boosting up your morale, videos that will give you that encouragement, and also good comments from good people. The good people I have in my channel, they always drop lovely comments and words of encouragement and how they pass through their own process of transitioning. Yeah, my channel is not only about showcasing ladies on gray hair, men on gray hair. It also encourages those that are feeling scared of starting their gray, of embracing their gray. Yeah, a lot of women has always said something about that in my channel. So if you feel down, you feel not really happy about your gray hair, don't feel that way, don't feel sad. You should be happy because you'll be seeing women and men like you in this channel. You see them on the videos, and you also see them on the comment section when they drop their experience and they drop how lovely and how nice they are enjoying their gray hair. That is what it should be. That is what the gray hair should be. It should be all about grateful and gratefulness. So guys, if you know this is your first time of coming, thanks for always tuning in to watch my video. And also, in the course of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Like, if you haven't subscribed at all, don't forget to subscribe. So till I come your way next time, I remain your humble girl, all about black hair. So keep loving yourself, keep staying blessed, and keep looking beautiful and looking handsome.